Okay, if you're a parent, you already know. There is always something going on with your kid's skin. Cuts and scrapes, a bug bite, random rash, irritation, skin irritation, eczema. I mean, it never ends. And honestly, I used to have like 5 different products to fix these things. So today I wanted to share just one product from Active Skin Repair that I have been using because I don't like to gatekeep. And it has simplified all of this for my family. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I use it in real life. As a mom of 2 and someone who has supported hundreds of families as a doula, I'm always looking for things that are safe, simple, and actually helpful, not just trendy. Okay, this is Active Skin Repair. And it's a hypochlorous acid spray, which does sound pretty fancy, but your body actually produces this naturally to really help heal your skin. So the idea is that this supports your skin's natural healing process without being harsh or toxic. And what I like about this is it is non-toxic, it's safe for all ages, including babies, and it doesn't sting, which is huge for my kids especially. With my kids, this is probably where I use it the most, and it's like scrapes from playing outside, bug bites, this is a big one, random skin irritation, and eczema, which my daughter has, and it can get really gnarly. Other things that I've tried usually hurt or sting or burn her skin, which is terrible. So this has been super gentle and easy to apply, and it doesn't hurt her, and she can even do it, and she's 5 years old. Right now it is springtime, so her skin has just been super sensitive and has had a lot of breakouts with eczema. So we have been using this and I have seen a tremendous difference in her skin. So instead of reaching for multiple other things, I just spray this and that's it. And we've already noticed a big difference. And for moms, you can actually use this for hormonal breakouts. I've seen it work for moms, sensitive, irritated skin. And of course, always, I wanna say check with your provider for anything medical, especially if you're going to use this like on a C-section incision. But this is one of those gentle options that I feel like always having on hand that helps the whole family. And I also like using it for things like after going to a workout for sweaty skin, small breakouts, sunburn irritation, razor irritation. And it's super simple. All you have to do is shake it up first, then spray it. And sometimes I like to rub it in, but you don't even have to do that. Literally, that's it. Again, you can use this for diaper rash, chafing, and other minor skin irritations. I've actually even heard some people putting this around babies' faces when their babies scratch their faces, because their nails get super sharp, and using that to really heal their skin. Something, again, super gentle and safe for your newborn. What I've been doing is making sure that I have one on hand here in the house and one in my bag at all times. So that way when we're out and about, if there is a bug bite or a scrape that happens, because inevitably it does happen, then I can always reach for this and apply. I actually recently got a pretty bad sunburn and I've been applying this and have seen also a good difference in my skin for healing a lot faster. And this is what really stands out to me. It replaces multiple products, it's non-toxic and gentle enough for kids, it doesn't sting like I mentioned, which is a huge win, and I can use it often and not have to worry. But I do wanna say, this isn't just like some overnight miracle product. It's not going to just instantly erase everything. However, what it does do is support the healing of your skin and calm everything down, which is what we really want in those situations. So if you want to try Active Skin Repair, I do have a code for it, which I'll link everything below. And if you're a mom and you just want to simplify what you're using for your kids and yourself, I think Active Skin Repair is definitely one of those products that's nice to always have on hand, especially as a parent. As you can see on the back, Active Skin Repair for Baby uses proprietary doctor-recommended and clinically proven formulation of HOCI, a medical-grade product used in hospitals. HOCI is a molecule produced by our bodies in response to injury that helps support the body's natural healing process. There's no petroleum, harsh chemicals, or added fragrances. This mama loves that. All right, guys, obviously I could not gatekeep this. I have had such extreme situations with my children's skin, especially with my daughter, so I really had to share this with y'all. So if you enjoyed learning more about Active Skin Repair, Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'd love to hear your stories if you've tried it out yourself. Again, if you want my discount code, be sure to check it out in the caption below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe so that you can make sure that you don't miss any future videos from me, and also like this video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.